In this instructional video, we will explore the fundamental trigonometric functions, sine, cosine, and tangent, on your scientific calculator. First, ensure your calculator is in degree mode for most standard calculations. You should see a D in the upper row of your display window on your calculator. Let's start with sine. Select the sine button and then input the angle in degrees. You may have noticed that once you select sine, it automatically opens a bracket. It is good practice to close the bracket after the angle. Selecting equals, and there you have it, the sine of the angle. This is the relationship between the opposite and the hypotenuse of a right-angled triangle. Now, for cosine, select the cos button, input the angle, press equals, and voila, the cosine of the angle is displayed. This is the relationship between the adjacent and the hypotenuse. The same can be done to calculate the angle between the opposite and the adjacent using the tan button. But how do you work backwards? If you're given the relationship between any two sides, you can do the inverse of sin, cos, or tan by first activating the yellow function above each button using the Shift key. So if you know the relationship between the opposite and the hypotenuse is 0.8, select Shift, press sin, and enter in 0.8. Closing the bracket and selecting equals will then give you the angle. We have now covered the basics of using a calculator for solving trigonometric problems. Practice using them on your calculator, and you'll master trigonometry in no time. Pause the video here and have a go at these questions. When you are ready for the answers, press play. Here are the answers. Mark the ones you have done and reflect on any that you have got wrong. For more questions like these, scan this QR code.